Welcome to your Career Action Plan. To get started, just log into the Career Avenues website. In the side menu, click on Career Action Plan. Click on Step 1 and get acquainted with your profile. The video will guide you through your profile report and help you to understand it. Have your report in front of you as you watch the video. Note the current career decision you are working on. If you are in Year 10, it will be exploring some possible career directions so that you can choose your subjects for Years 11 and 12. You need to know which course options you want to keep open. Then you can be sure you are taking the subjects that will support you to go in each of those directions. You can make your final decisions down the track. For now, you just need to keep options open. Next, we go to Task 3. Here you will see the list of career ideas that were given to you at the end of your report. These are ideas that are generally consistent with your overall profile. You need to identify which ones you want to know more about, or which have some appeal to you. Read through the lists and check the box next to the ideas that you are interested in. You can add other careers not already in your list by using the search tabs at the bottom of this page. Scroll down and use the keyword or the attribute search options. You can search in other career groups as well using the attribute search tab. Click on the career name to view the video about it and read the description. You can add it to your list if you would like to. Careers that you check on the Explore page will show up on the next page, which is the Favorites page. Here you can find out more about each one. You can use the course search links provided at the top of the page to look up course options. Use the Course Seeker button to quickly find entry requirements for the courses you are interested in. Write down the course. The assumed knowledge or prerequisite is in the box. You can also write down the recommended subjects. Do this for each idea on your favorites list. Now, you can go through your favorites and tick the green button to select just 3 for your shortlist. When you do this, the career will turn green and go to the top of the favorites page. When you have 3 careers, you can move on to the next page. In the next step, you research your shortlist in more detail. As you click on each of your top 3 careers, you will find some questions to be answered. These questions help you get a better idea of what this career will be about, what jobs might be available, and what salary you might expect. You will find links to outside websites to help you get this information for yourself. You can now move to the last step to consider your subject selections. The focus here is having the right subjects to allow you to go into any of your top 3 careers. You will see your own notes here from earlier on which subjects you need. Select the subjects that will keep all of your options open, if you can. If you know you definitely don't want to do a subject that is required, that is okay. It just means that perhaps the career is not what you thought and you may not want to choose it. You can also generate a career action plan report on this page. Once you have your required subjects, you can then choose your other electives according to your own personal preferences. Please come back and use Task 3, Explore, anytime, to find out about more options over the next 2 years. We hope you enjoy exploring career ideas. Thank you for watching this presentation.